On May 8, 2023, winds were estimated at over 100 miles per hour, straight line winds, hitting this area. This is the South Padre Island Convention Center, and it lost its roof during the most recent storm. This direction, you will see some houses with cranes. They also lost their roofs. South Padre Island got the brunt of it, but Port Isabel also had damage. So this is some of the siding that came off. This is what happened during the storm. These were wrapped, broken off. So this all came off during the storm. The storm was roughly 30 minutes in length with over 100 mile per hour winds. Wow.